I do a video to just show you the level of scalp buildup you have. Now, this was not the case all over. As you can see up here in the top, you don't have this patch. You don't have this patch down here by the ear either. But as I was coming up this what's called subsection of the head, I ran into what's called a patch. So what I do is go in close, because our human eye can't see this unless we magnify, which is what the trichologists do. They get out a fancy machine and then they show you your scalp problem really up close, but then they add oil on top of it, which does not remove it. It's just adding to what's there, and what's there comes off. So why would we add oil on top of what we can remove?
Right.
So my research proved that that is an approach, and I'm learning that my approach is different, and it's just a different approach that's a little bit more effective than even what the dermatologists do. So this flakiness that you're seeing down here at the scalp is your sweat buildup, and mixed in with your sebum, because you also excrete an oil yourself called sebum, and then anything else we may have added to the hair or this area, i.e. serums, gels, anything topical, also falls to the scalp and collects as well.
Okay.
So this is a mixture of all of those possible things that I'm getting ready to lift.